3, 4, I guess. Start with the next. Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
No. Now are you able? Are you able
No,
to
ma'am.
see? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Lydia, still not visible.
No,
Is
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Visible, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's visible now.
visible now? Now is it visible?
No, ma'am. No, it's not visible again.
Now
No,
you
ma'am. It's not visible again.
now. Now is it visible?
Yes, visible now.
Visible, no? Okay. Your
Yes,
question number
ma'am.
3 is select. Question number 4. Now you write question number 5. How do you increase your creatinine level? Write this. So what is written? How do you increase your creatinine level? Gentle exercise to increase muscle mass or increasing creatinine intake in the diet may help, particularly for those on a vegetarian diet who may not be eating enough protein. For people who do high intensity exercise, creatinine as a dietary supplement is generally considered safe. So how do you increase your creatinine level? It can be increased through exercise, okay, through proper diet, and also for all those people who are vegetarian, okay, they should always go for high creatinine intake or increase in the creatinine intake in their diet. And also for people who are doing exercise, okay, too much of exercise, so bodybuilders and all who does lots of exercise, they should always have creatinine as a supplement. Okay, and it is also considered safe for those people, but not for us because we do not go for all this high intensity exercise. Okay, did you finish this question? Yes or no? Finish.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Finish? Finish this question. Question number 3. Yes or no? Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you write this. What are the causes of high creatinine level? What are the causes of high creatinine level? Kidneys are the most important organs for eliminating waste from our body. They filter all chemical byproducts carried by the blood and excreted from our body through urine. If the normal kidney function is interrupted or impaired by any disease or condition, then you may find a rise in the level of creatinine. So what causes high creatinine level? First of all, you know that kidneys are one of the most important organs in our body. All the waste, okay, be it in the form of urine, be it in the form of stool mane potty, okay, or so these two things are the most important things or most important thing that needs to be eliminated from our body, and it is eliminated only through our kidneys. And what it does, they filter all chemical byproducts. All the chemical byproducts that are carried by our blood is filtered by the kidneys, okay, and later it is excreted through urine. So if there is and if there is any kind of impaired functions in the kidney, if there is any disease in the kidney, at that time what happens? Your creatinine level will rise or increase. Okay, so here is the list of what causes the creatinine level. So these are some of the list by which the creatinine level increases. First is various supplements, okay, then medication, some of the medications also causes high creatinine level. Foods can temporarily raise the level of creatinine in the blood. Then consuming large amount of proteins and red meat. Then doing strenuous or heavy exercises. All those people who goes for weightlifting, bodybuilding, okay, they often go for heavy exercise and strenuous exercise. Okay, so these people, their creatinine level can easily rise up, okay. And certain diseases also affects the kidney. What are the diseases? These are because of gout, then diabetes, abnormal muscle breakdown, okay, high BP, sometimes because of urinary tract infections, okay, autoimmune disorders. Then this one no need to write. Good pasture syndrome, no need to write this. After blood loss often caused by shock. So these are some of the diseases that leads to high creatinine level. Am I audible or not, students?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Write down the causes of high creatinine level. Holne, finish. Finish writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write this question. What are the symptoms of high creatinine level? Okay, what will be the symptoms? There will be swelling or edema. Okay, edema itself means swelling. Next is shortness of breath, SOB. Okay, nausea and vomiting. Nausea means feeling of vomiting. Okay, it is a feeling that you want to vomit. So that is known as nausea. Nausea and vomiting. Then changes in urination pattern. Then there will be dehydration, muscle cramp, chest pain. The person will feel fatigue, restless. Okay, then there will be high blood pressure. Lastly, there will be confusion. The person will not be able to know what he or she is doing at times. Okay, he will be confused. He will be in a confused state of mind. So these are some of the symptoms of high creatinine level. Write this answer. Write past, swelling or edema, shortness of breath, nausea, vomiting, change in urination, dehydration, muscle cramp. Muscle cramp, why does it happen? Muscle cramp, it happens because of excessive exercise. When a person does too much of exercise, basic exercise, what happens? There will be muscle cramp. Okay, you might feel pain in your muscles because of too much of strenuous or excessive exercise. The person might suffer from muscle cramp. Then there will be chest pain, fatigue, high BP, and lastly confusion. Okay, fatigue, high blood pressure, confusion. Fatigue, what is fatigue? Fatigue means when a person is too much tired. Okay, the person becomes fatigue, over tiredness. Whole day finish. Yes or no? Finish or not? Next you write. What creatinine level needs dialysis? Okay, when creatinine levels are high, it can be indicator of kidney disease. If tomorrow gom poa je creatinine level high hole, it is because of kidney disease, kidney failure. Okay, for For adult Manu, what happens? Dialysis is recommended when estimated GFR, that is glomerular filtration rate, level reaches approximately 10.0 ml per minute. At that time, dialysis is mostly recommended, okay, for adult patient. Glomerular filtration rate. What level of creatinine indicates kidney failure? Creatinine level that reaches, okay, 2.0 or more than 2.0 in babies and 5.0 or more than 5.0 in adult. Okay, at that time, what happens? It might indicate severe kidney impairment, okay, or severe kidney damage. So at that time, we can know that there is kidney failure. The need for a dialysis machine to remove waste from the blood is based upon several considerations. Okay, dialysis machine or pra, whatever waste is there in the blood, okay, through the kidneys, it can be removed through various methods such as BUN, by knowing the creatinine level, okay, by knowing the potassium level, and also how much fluid the patient is retaining, how much fluid is there in the patient's body. Through that also we can know, okay, the creatinine levels in adult and also in babies. For babies, 2.0 or more. For adult, 5.0 or more is considered as high creatinine level. Aru creatinine level ketia rise hoy jetia amar kidney impair hoy, kidney function beya hoy jay, kidney damage hoy tetia what happens? At that time the creatinine level will increase. Please write down fast these two questions. Refractory to diuretics. Kune pale itu topic for seminar. Refractory to diuretics. Maisnam Sheetal is present today. Maisnam Sheetal. Present or absent?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, your topic is refractory to diuretics, right? For seminar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you delete that one. Okay, means you cut that. That topic is too tough. Okay, you cut that topic and you write one topic, that is glomerular filtration rate, GFR. Write down the topic, Sheetal.
Okay, ma'am.
Write down. Instead of the topic that I have given you, that is refractory to diuretics, you cut that refractory to diuretics. You cut and write glomerular filtration rate, GFR. You present seminar on glomerular filtration rate. Understood?
Filtration.
Glomerular,
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
GLOMERULAR.
I'm done, ma'am.
Okay, done. So instead of the previous topic,
Yes, ma'am.
you take this topic. Okay, glomerular filtration rate.
Okay, ma'am.
Refractory to diuretics, you just cut it. No need. It's too tough for now. Okay, hold there. These two questions finish. Yes or no? What is the normal creatinine level in blood and urine? The normal serum creatinine ranges in between 0.6 to 1.1 mg per dl in women and 0.7 to 1.35 mg per dl in men. So the normal serum creatinine level is different for male and female. Okay. For male and female, the range is different. This test compares creatinine in your blood and urine. So you write down this line, no need to write this line. Just write down the normal serum creatinine ranges is 0.6 to 1.1 mg per dl in women and 0.7 to 1.3 mg per dl in men. All these things you know the values, okay, because it might come for MCQs if there is offline test. Jem Nunu is present today. Asana Nai, Jem Nunu. Absent. Srijana is present or not, Jem Nunu?
Ma'am, she's absent.
Absent. So these are few questions, okay, of creatinine. So from tomorrow you will be starting with your seminar, okay. From tomorrow you will be, from tomorrow or day after tomorrow. When is the next class?
Day after tomorrow, ma'am.
Okay, day after tomorrow. So from day after tomorrow, I think the first one is Marcy.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you be prepared. Okay, whatever you need to show to the
Yes, ma'am.
participants, you can show. You have already given last time also, so I think you have a clear idea. You have to explain
Yes,
it
ma'am.
properly. Whatever topic you have, you have to explain properly. And also if there is any diagram or anything that needs to be written down, write it down in a piece of paper, because at this point of time, I don't think it's good for you to buy chart papers and all, and shops also, I think it's closed. So you just write in a piece of paper, but
Yes, ma'am.
the writing should be clear and visible to the participants. It should be clear. Okay, and if you have laptop, then it's a good thing. Okay, if you have laptop, it's a good thing.
Yes.
Otherwise, if you can share the screen somehow, that is also good, because sharing screen, they will be able to see it more properly. So you do in such a way that everybody will understand what you are trying to say. Okay.
Okay,
And I'm
ma'am.
telling you one thing, that seminar topics, okay, on the day that I've given you, if you will not give on the given day, directly I will give you 0. Okay, because আমার ইমান টাইমও নাই, so whatever dates are being fixed, try to give at that time. যদি if any emergency case, then you have to tell me beforehand. I will see whether to excuse or not. Otherwise, it's better for you to give on the date that I've given you. আমাৰ extra dates তেতিয়া যেনেকুৱা extra dates, we don't have extra dates to give you. Okay, and the last few days, whichever will be left, I will try to take classes at that time, and my class is almost over. Okay, a few things were there, it's almost over. And the topics that I have given you, I have just searched through physiology what things are important, so I have just given you, so that you can at least present and you can gain some knowledge into all these topics. Many of the topics are not there for your syllabus. Okay, but still you have to present it well, because I'll give you marks through the seminar presentation. Okay, so prepare well. Okay then, thank you all of you. You can leave now. You just give your attendance and you can leave the class.